Hello, I'm Andy Norman, founder of Antek Automation, and welcome to Quick Tips, the show where I take one real problem facing small businesses and give you something practical to do about it. Today I want to talk about why AI automation seems to get more expensive the more you use it, and why that worry, while completely real for big companies, does not have to apply to you. If you have read anything in the trade press about enterprise AI lately, you will have seen the pattern. Large organizations roll AI out and the costs climb faster than the value they get back. The reason is simple once you see it. Enterprise AI is almost always priced on usage, not on outcome. So there are three things all growing at once. First, the compute and inference costs, which rise every time someone runs a query. Second, the integration overhead, because the AI has to connect into more and more internal systems. And third, the ongoing model and license fees that scale with every additional user. None of those are capped in a typical rollout. A department starts with a helpful little pilot, everyone loves it, and then the same tool costs multiples more once it is switched on across 5,000 desks. That story is true and it is worth understanding. But here is the thing. It is a story about how a giant buys software. It is not how a plumber, an electrician, or a two-branch letting agency needs to buy AI, and treating it as inevitable is the single most common mistake I see. A small business does not have the enterprise problem as long as you scope the work correctly. Instead of an open-ended rollout that connects to everything and charges you per click forever, you buy one fixed cost automation that does one clearly defined job. The clearest example is an AI receptionist that answers your missed calls, qualifies the inquiry, and books it into your calendar. You know the total price before the work starts. It does not balloon when you get busier. A good week with more calls does not hand you a surprise bill because you are paying for the capability, not for every single interaction. So here's what I want you to actually do this week. If you are thinking about AI, resist the urge to plan some grand rollout across your whole operation. Pick one task, make it a repetitive, high volume, genuinely painful one, and for most businesses that is the phone going unanswered. Get a fixed quote for automating exactly that, and make sure you understand what, if anything, could ever change that number. Outcome-based, fixed pricing on a single well-scoped job is how you get the upside the big companies are chasing without the runaway bill they keep writing about. That fixed cost single job approach is exactly how we build Antek Automation, an AI voice agent that answers every call and books the work for a price you know up front. If you want to read the full breakdown on how AI costs actually scale, it is over on the blog at antekautomation.com. I'm Andy Norman. This has been Antek Automation. Find us at antekautomation.com and I'll see you on the next one.